Run fast, run fast!
Hey kids, it's me, Kit the Explorer, and you're watching Kit Explores! And guess what? Today, I'm exploring wild animals. In fact, I'm gonna be hunting some wild animals, and I'm gonna catch them in this net. Let's go sneak around these woods and hunt for some animals. Come on. I wonder what kind of animals we'll see. Could we see lions, or tigers, or bears, or chipmunks, or bunnies? Oh, guess what? I see a bear. Come here, come here. I see a bear hiding behind that tree. Let's go get him. This bear is so fast.
Little bears sure are quick. And they might seem really cute, but be careful around bears and never go up to them in the wild because they're ferocious creatures.
I caught this little bear. Whoa. Look at this little bear. Look at his sharp teeth. And look at his big bear claws. Wow. What do we do with the bear when we catch him? Should we put you in a museum? All right, off to the museum with him.
Museums and zoos are the safest places to look at bears. Never approach a bear in the wild, especially if you see a mama bear and her cubs in the woods. Bears in the woods are bad news. Unless it's a teddy bear, of course.
Explorers, we just caught a bear. What other animals do you think we can catch? Let's sneak around and look for some animals. Animals! Hey, animals! I see a little lamb over there.
A lamb is what we call a baby sheep, and sheep love to spend their time outside eating grass. Here's a little lamb eating some grass. Tasty. Sheep live in big families called herds. What if your family was this big? Wow.
I'm gonna go catch a little lamb. They've got furry wool that can keep you nice and warm when it's so cold. I'm gonna catch you, little lamb. Come on, explorers, let's go catch you.
Lambs and sheep sure can be fast when they want to be.
I caught this little lamb. Oh, I'm gonna shear this little lamb and get his fur off. With shearers, it's kind of like a buzzing hair cutter. Bzzz. Hey, it's Miles under here. Miles is the little lamb.
Catching little lambs sure isn't easy, but this little girl has caught one. Good job, little girl. That's a cute little lamb.
Hey, explorers, what do you think the next animal is that I'm gonna catch? Let's sneak around and look for some animals. Phew! I smell something really stinky. What are some stinky animals that you can think of? Could it be an elephant? I don't know. Could it be a hippopotamus? I think they're pretty stinky. Oh, but this is really stinky. I think I see a skunk. I'm gonna catch a skunk. Whoa, there he goes! Let's go get him! I got him! I caught this little skunk. Ooh, what should we do with him? You're too stinky to keep. I'm gonna send you back out into the wild. Bye-bye, little skunk. Bye-bye. Guess what, explorers? There's a lot of animals out in the world. Some of them we keep as pets, just like your doggies at home, and kitties, and turtles. Some animals, like skunks, are just too wild and crazy to keep as pets. So, skunks are usually found in the wild or in zoos and exhibits. Huh.
There are a lot of cute animals that seem like they would make great pets, like foxes, and monkeys are super cute. Imagine having a pet monkey. Otters would make amazing pets too. At least that's what it would seem like. But animals like these are best left in the wild where they're happiest.
Remember, kids, you might even see some animals in your yard, like squirrels or birds, or even the next animal that I'm going to try to catch. But just because an animal's in your yard doesn't mean that you should keep it. Because animals, some of them prefer to be outside. You all have a funny look on your face. Do you see an animal that I don't see? Where's the animal? I don't see the animal anywhere. Animal! Where is he, explorers? Where? Behind me? What? There he is! It's a bunny! Let's go get him! Here's a fast bunny. I'm gonna catch you, bunny.
Bunnies sure are quick, and they have a keen sense of smell. Look at that nose going.
What do you like to eat, little bunny?
Carrot.
Carrots! Bunnies like to eat carrots.
Carrots make delicious, healthy snacks for little bunnies and for little kids. If you'd like to enjoy a carrot snack, just ask your parents. Here's an older bunny enjoying a carrot too. How delicious.
You can even find bunnies in your backyard sometimes. Guess what? If you find a strange bunny, leave it there. And if you want a bunny as a pet, you can get special bunnies from the pet store. Isn't that right, little bunny? You want to go back out into your wild habitat? Okay, go, little bunny.
If you find a wild bunny somewhere, it's best to let him be, because he's already in his natural home. If you'd like a pet bunny, ask your parents, and you can get them from the pet store.
Hey, explorers. I've been looking for hours for this next animal. It's got spots and a really, really long neck. Can you guess what it is? What do you think the animal is that I'm trying to find? He uses a long neck to eat green leaves from the tops of trees. Oh, I see him. Shh. It's a giraffe. Look at that giraffe. He's reaching to the top of the tree to try to eat the leaves. And I think he sees me. I better go catch him. Here we go.
Giraffes are not easy animals to catch. They've got long legs to help them move quickly, and long necks to help them reach tasty leaves at the tops of trees. But that's not all they use their necks for. Giraffes use their necks to fight each other. Ouch! That doesn't look like it's very nice. It's not nice to fight, and usually giraffes are pretty nice when you see them in zoos. They're so nice that you can even feed them. ask your parents if you can go to your local zoo.
I couldn't catch that giraffe. I've been looking for animals for too long, and I'm too tired. But you know what? A giraffe is a bad animal to catch with a little net, because they're so big. You made such a good giraffe today. Wow, what a good job. Don't you think Miles did a good job pretending to be the different animals? Today was such a fun and silly episode of Kit Explores. We're so glad that you guys joined us on today's adventure. And parents, be sure to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Kit Explores. We're so glad you joined us today. We'll see you later. Bye. Bye-bye. What does the lamb say?
Ba, ba.
Ba. Can you make a bee sound? Ba. Yeah. What sound does skunks make? Okay.